guys, welcome to Crazsweat. My name is Crazsweat. We are manufacturers with 10-year experience in producing shapewear. We can provide OEM, ODM, and various customized ones. Last time I shared with you the latest series of sweating shapewear. Today I introduced a nylon material style for you, which is more convenient to put on and take off. The fabric composition is 80% blend, 20% nylon. The outer side is wrapped by the high elastic belt, which can be customized with provide letters labels. A total of 3 strong velcro stickers. No button design. Can be adjusted freely to fit more size.